Hi, my name is Eva Harris. I'm a part of the Harvard class of 2026 and I'm a prospective CS major. I'm currently recording from Grays, my dormitory. I'm also a rower. Rowing is a sport that is highly data-driven. The governing body of the U.S. national team for rowing is USRowing. Their website contains national team data, displayed per month on web pages. These pages start from November of 2021 and go through May of 2022. For my CS50 Final Project, I created a website called US National Team Test Analytics that, in short, is a multi-page website that lets the user run analytics on USRowing national team data. This website uses Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and SQL. So this is my page. Let's say I didn't have an account. I click register, I create an account, and I log in. Excellent, I'm in. So this is my main page. If I want to get back to it, I would either click the home button, my title, or my logo. And this logo is the USRowing logo, by the way. Or it's the or, more accurately. This is the data page. This displays all of the data that's in my database. And quick search also displays that data here by default until the user makes a selection about the analytic or portion of the data that they want to view. So say I wanted to view U23 women. By submitting this form, this is all the U23 women. If I wanted to view 2K, these are all the 2Ks that were submitted to the database. Okay, there's plenty more selections to make as options for the user. I'm going to log out now, and this data is from USRowing. Thank you so much.